Hey guys, how y'all doing, and welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs, and today I'm making a video on this Dewalt Powerstack battery. This is actually a previously promised video showing how long this Dewalt Powerstack battery can run a 12-volt RV furnace. Let's get started. I wanted to make this video sooner, but I have had no RV furnaces to work on lately. I've been working on everything but RV furnaces. Finally got one in. This particular furnace had a bad control board in it. I got that swapped out. I put a dinosaur board in there. That's the old board that was in there. And I swapped it out with one of these. These guys come with a 3-year warranty. I was using the cheaper boards when I first started this business, but I'm using dinosaur now because they're more dependable and they come with a 3-year warranty. I've used this power station every single solitary day since I've built it, and I don't have any major complaints yet, but there are several things, or at least a couple of things that I want to change. So I'm definitely going to be building a version 2.0, so definitely stay tuned for that. Well, the next box is going to have a potentiometer in it because this one only goes up to 12.2 volts, and I really want to get that up to around 13. Also, a potentiometer can be adjusted so I can set it up and down and give appliances or anything else, you know, the exact voltage that I want to give it. With this box, I'm basically stuck with 12.2. Throw the Dewalt Powerstack in there first. I want to show you guys how this furnace runs with the 4-amp-hour batteries. Let's hit the switch. Then we'll connect the thermostat wires together. I don't know if you can hear that, but we have ignition. This furnace is putting out heat. Now let's disconnect the thermostat, let it run its cool down cycle, then I'll turn it off and we'll throw the Powerstack battery in there. Okay, now let's take these 4-amp-hour batteries out of here and put the Dewalt Powerstack in. Now we'll fire up the power station, connect our thermostat wires together, and let's see how long we can run this thing. Can you hear that? It's not working. This is an older battery here, but I will order a new Dewalt 20-volt 5-amp-hour XR battery, and then we'll just do a test showing how long that can run an RV furnace. Hopefully they have not built this new technology into their 5-amp-hour XR batteries. Well, there you have it, guys. You cannot run an RV furnace with a Dewalt Powerstack battery. I hope you're just as pissed off as I am. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.